back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for more beauty tips. So today guys, we will do unboxing. So unboxing with Estee Lauder. So this one is a double wear stay in place makeup. So I will just read behind guys what they said. So this one is proven 24-hour staying power, looks fresh and flawless. It stays color true, feels lightweight and so comfortable. You won't believe its long wear. Transfer resistant, lasts through heat and humidity, medium to full coverage, matte finish, won't clog pores. Oil controlling, oil free, fragrance free. So I'm so excited to see the result guys. So yeah, we will do unboxing, and are you guys ready? Let's start! Oh, so yeah. Okay, so this one is 30 ml. Okay, so I'm so excited guys. Okay, so we will see. I love the packaging guys, so nice, so class. Okay, so oh, just like this. Just like this, there is no something to pump or what. Oh yeah, okay. So I don't know how to use this. Because before I was using this one. So this one is Yves Saint Laurent YSL. Okay, so this one is a pump. Okay, but this one there is no pump at all. Okay, so maybe we will just do like this, I think. Okay, really, it's like that. Okay, so next. Okay, so we will see first. Okay, so it's like that. Okay. Okay, now so I put everywhere guys, and now I'm ready to blend it. Okay, so I will be using brush from IVORY. So this one is perfecting foundation brush, so it will help me to blend the foundation very good. You will see. So guys, this is perfect. I'm so happy. Okay guys, now I'm in the LED light. Okay, so I'm in front of the LED light and it was totally different. So before, a while ago, I am near the window, so I'm in the natural light. So with the light, it looks like this, guys. Oh my god, gives you more flawless face, guys, with the light. So if you are going to attend a party at night time, oh my god, you are a bomb. This foundation is a bomb, you know. I did not put anything yet. I just wear the foundation. I did not do my eyebrow. I did not put any makeup. I did not put any lipstick, but it gives me a amazing face. Even me, I can't believe. Oh my god, it's so nice. You know, it's like a filter, but it's not a filter. It's very smooth looking. It's very flawless. So if you guys asking me if it's matte finish, I can say yes. So the feeling is like I don't wear anything really. It's not a heavy foundation. Oh my god. So I really heard this foundation is a great foundation. I really wanted to try. So yeah, it's a great foundation. And now it's from me. I'm telling you guys. And I highly recommend this foundation, guys. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty tips. See you again on my next vlog. Bye.